Hello students, today we are going to verify or geometrically represent third identity. Third identity, what is this identity? This is a square minus b square is equal to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. Okay. Now we will represent this or geometrically. This is a square of side A, so its area will be what? A square. This is also A, okay, and area of this square is A square. Now suppose from here to here we have this square and its side is B. Okay, its area will be what? B square. Suppose we place it here. Okay, now from this to this distance is B, so remaining will be what? A minus B will be. This will be A minus B. Okay, and here from here to here this whole is A. This is A. This is B. So this will be what? A minus B. Okay. Now suppose we cut this area. This much. Okay. This. What is the remaining area? This whole was A square. We have taken out B square. So remaining area is what? A square. And we have subtracted B square. Deleted B square from A square. So remaining this area, L-shaped figure which is remaining, its area will be what? A square minus B square. So area of this sheet is A square minus B square. Okay, this sheet, area of this sheet is what? A square minus B square. Now look, what we will do, we can find this L-shaped figure area by dividing it into two rectangles. Okay, we can make two rectangles from this figure. Either this, one rectangle this and one below. Okay, another way is what? One rectangle this and another this. We can take any one. I am taking this. Okay, this is a rectangle and this. So area of this rectangle you can find. This is A minus B. This whole was A and here to here it was B. So this much was B, or this whole was A. This much was B. This is B. So B times A minus B is area of this rectangle. B times A minus B. Okay, and area of the A below rectangle, this is its length. What is this? A. This whole length was A, and this width, this will be A minus B. This is A. So area of this rectangle, length into breadth. So A times A minus B. This is the area of this rectangle. This is the area of this rectangle. If we add both the areas, we will get the area of this L-shaped figure. Now add this. You know how to add B times A minus B, A times A minus B. Take common A minus B. Common factor is A minus B. We can take it out, A minus B. What is remaining? B plus A. So A minus B, we can write it A plus B. And it was what? A square minus B square also. So both should be equal to A square minus B square is equal to A minus B into A plus B. You can verify it by dividing this into two rectangles in this way. This and this. You do it yourself. Another way is there. We can just cut it this way. Okay. Now we rearrange this to form a rectangle. Okay. How can we form? We can do this as this. Now see. What was this? B. Okay. And this was A minus B. Now you see, this is A minus B, and here to here it was A, and this is B. So A plus B, A minus B. So area of this rectangle which we have formed by two pieces, that is equal to that L-shaped area. So this is A minus B, here to here it is A, this is B, this was B na. So area of this rectangle is A plus B, A minus B. तो दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो A minus B times A plus B. This is another way to find this equal to this A minus B times A plus B, this area of this rectangle. Okay.